रोज रोज का पावर कट, नॉनसेंस।
पावर कट्स जिंदगी की खुशियां न छीन ले। इसीलिए वी गार्ड इन्वर्टर्स और बैटरी, फुल टाइम पावर, नॉन स्टॉप खुशियां।
That thought has not crossed our mind, but in any case, we are a democratic party. If things go right, we take collective credit for it. If things go wrong, we take collective responsibility for it.
But what if you don't be?
Anti-incumbency. People always think that new broom sweeps well. And as you're all aware, VPP has never been in power. So it's easier when you sit from the galleries to point out where things are going wrong on the ground. But we have been on the ground for very long. So obviously people can point at your mistakes because you're supposed to perform. But VPP till today has not donned the mantle of government or power. Therefore, it's easier to say that, look, we are without power, give us power first, then we will deliver. So it's good now that they are in a comfortable position to lead the EC in the AHEDC. I wish them well, and I wish they will deliver on their electoral promises.
Do you think they were right?
Would say that the campaign, their style of campaign was very different from our style. But again, in politics, there is always a graph. You rise, you reach your climax, and then you start to slide down, then you reach your anti-climax, and then again you go back to the climax. I think that's how history repeats itself.
Bapal, the history.
Comparatively, Meghalaya elections have always been by and large peaceful and disciplined. I do not think these will have any far-reaching consequences. It's not the sort of politics that you see happening in Bengal or Bihar. So I don't attribute much to it.
Thank you.